Hello and welcome, I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we're going to be doing the makeup for the medieval Genderbent Harley Quinn. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To start, I always wash the skin that I will be putting makeup on. This clears the skin of any kind of dirt that would get stuck underneath the makeup. The next thing I do is prime the skin with sunscreen. I will be using Copper Tone Oil Free and Shine Control Face at 45 SPF. I got this at Walmart for about $4. I will simply be spreading this all over my partner's face except on his eyelids, as this is not meant for the eyes. Normally this is where I would put on foundation and concealer. However, my partner doesn't want those makeups on his face, and I am not willing to spend money on makeup that will only be used once or twice. So we will be skipping directly to the eyes. I will start by using this black eyeliner that I am not sure where I got. I will line a triangle below his left eye and above his right eye. Then I will begin smudging it out, pulling the makeup towards the inside of the triangle. I will then layer this with the black eyeshadow from this palette from Maybelline called the Nudes. I will continue to smudge this. I'm wanting a charcoal, almost bruise-like design, and the triangles, of course, make a diamond if you put them together. Next, I will put a little blush to add some color back into his face. I will be using this one from LA Colors in the shade Desert Peach. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1.50. I will also apply some lip balm to give a nice clear look to the lips. I am using an EOS lip balm for this that I received as a gift from a follower. Finally, I will spray this with a setting spray. I will be using Hard Candy's Long Wear setting spray that I got from Walmart for about $7. Congratulations, you now have the completed look. Here's what the makeup looks like with the tabard and hood, as well as with the accessories. If you would like to see how I made the Warhammer or the tabard, check out the Medieval Genderbent Harley Quinn playlist on my channel. Now that you have the makeup, you have completed the Medieval Genderbent Harley Quinn. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be starting new cosplay soon. See you on the next project.